Hi, my name is Neil.
And my name's Dana, and we're operators here at the EPCOR Wastewater Treatment Plant in Canmore. We're going to take a quick look at the treatment facilities and the process involved in treating wastewater in Canmore.
So you will know what happens when you flush your toilet and your water goes down the drain. This plant treats wastewater for the Canmore and Deadman's Flats communities, a population of 13,000, which can increase to over 20,000 with visitors and non-permanent residents. We treat from 5 million to 25 million liters of wastewater each day, depending on the tourism season. On the high side, this is equal to almost 10 Olympic-sized swimming pools.
The wastewater treatment plant uses the biological aerated filtration process to treat wastewater. Before we get to the treatment though, the wastewater will pass through the headworks. In the headworks of the plant, any materials larger than 6 millimeters are removed, so they don't damage the equipment in the treatment plant. This includes things like rags, personal hygiene products, and food particles. Solids removed from the headworks are trucked to a landfill.
The wastewater then passes slowly through our two clarifiers. Fats, oils, and grease float to the top. These are skimmed off. Solids settle to the bottom. They're pumped to another part of the plant for further treatment later on. Wastewater then passes through a finer screen to remove items larger than 2.3 millimeters. This prepares the water for processing in our biological aeration filters, or BAFs as we call them. The BAFs remove materials that are harmful to fish in aquatic environments.
We have 5 carbon baths which remove organic pollutants from the wastewater. Each filter contains 2 meters of biolite, which looks like small, pea-sized porous rock. Organisms, we call them bugs, live in this media and naturally consume nutrients and organic materials. The wastewater then passes through 5 N baths, which remove ammonia. The bacteria convert ammonia to nitrates that are non-toxic to the river ecosystem.
As a final step, the wastewater is treated using UV lights to disinfect the water. This process disrupts the DNA of any organisms to inactivate them. The water is now safe and clean and ready to be released to the Bow River.
Wastewater treatment plants use lab testing to ensure the treated wastewater meets or exceeds the quality required to protect the environment and users downstream.
The solids I mentioned earlier are combined to form biosolids. We remove water from the biosolids in the biosolids building. The biosolids are then shipped to a regional compost facility.
The Bow River is a gem in Canmore and is enjoyed by our residents and visitors. It is essential to our community and our downstream neighbors.
Our EPCOR team cares about the river, and it's why we work hard to treat the wastewater every day.